welcome to my channel. And first of all, I would like to thank you to all my subbies have been supporting me for a whole year long, and I wish all of you and your family are doing well. I have an unboxing to share with you today. This item, I picked it up at Nordstrom. Yes, this bag, I have an eye on it for a while, like for more than 2 years. It's on my wish list for a long time, and there's some reason every time I want to go get it, either they don't have the color that I want, or they don't have it in stock, and I don't know. I keep postponing it, and finally I get it, and there it is. This is from Saint Laurent, and what is it? I don't know. This is the barcode, I think, and this is the information of the back. And here we go. I have this bag, this long one, and here is from Nordstrom. Yep. Because I pick it up from Nordstrom, so that they don't have the Saint Laurent bag. They have a Nordstrom bag, but I bought another one. So the bag, the shopping bag, is damaged, so I only have this. And this, here we go. The mini Lulu camera bag in beige, dark beige color. This is the tag, and the retail is for this is $1,190. Before it's only $1,050 plus tax, but now the price already increases, so this is $1,190. And this is the tag from Nordstrom. If you buy the stuff from Nordstrom, they put this, like, the barcode on the back of the sticker. And this bag, it look like you know, the look like a caviar of Chanel. It's very durable, and this is in the gold hardware. And the chains, I like this bag more than the big one, because I keep debate between this and the bigger side. The bigger side, the strap is all leather, and the reason I didn't pick it up because I didn't carry much, and also the tassel on the big one is keep like, oh look, I don't know, it's pretty, but it's kind of bothered me, so I keep back and forth. But finally I make the decision, I take this one, and I love this color, and so I go with this color. And on the back have one pocket. I forgot how they call this pattern. Chevron, yeah, chevron pattern, in chevron. And the zipper is very smooth, and this the strap is not removable and not adjustable. And this is how it looks on me. I'm not tall, I'm only 5'2", and it's kind of petite size. And if you're taller than me, it's maybe a little bit short, but it's right here on my, like, perfect on my hip. If I carry on my shoulder, this is right here. And the measurement for this one is, the length of the back is around 7.5 inches, is around 19 centimeters, and the height of the back is 4.5 inch, is around 11.5 centimeters, and the width The back is 2 inches. It's around 5 centimeters, and the length of the strap is from here to here. Let's see. 21 inches is around 35 centimeters, and it comes with the tassel attached to the zipper, and inside there's some paper. Let me take it out. And what's in here? Okay, nothing, just paper. Inside is the authenticity card in there. Inside is full letters, all black hole like that. It's hard to see. On the back, you have a credit card slot on the back. If you don't want to carry your card holder, you can use that then to hold a card. Let me see what's in here. Okay, let me open it. Okay, this is the Authenticity Saint Laurent Paris. This one. And okay, oh, what is it? Okay, Saint Laurent. There's all the information. And Saint Laurent is all the material information and material. And this is all the instruction of the letter material. Yeah, that's it. That's it, and that's just how it is. And the information is, I think, is right here. Saint Laurent mini bag mono in color dark beige. This one like that. Okay. This in here, in this envelope. This is the second Saint Laurent bag that I have. The first one I have in the Lulu toy Lulu in black. So I liked this bag a lot. So I finally make decision and get this one. And let me try to put this fit to show you how many items can fit in this bag. Oh, let me do this later. Okay, I have my wallet. Okay, my pen. This is Tiffany pen that I have for a long time. It's small and it's very pretty blue, and very pretty blue with the gold hardware. Like, it's very small, so it fit in all my small bags, so I keep in the pouch in case it's the ink get leaked. And the reason I love the Tiffany pen because when you run out the ink, you can bring back to Tiffany. They will fill the ink for you for free. And I have my Hermes Barn compact wallet. This one I have it for a year now, and I never changed out to the new wallet yet. Even I already bought some of new wallets, but I didn't change it. I didn't bother to change it. I love so much, and I plan to get another one in different color, and it fit perfectly. And I have my web wipe for hand sanitizer. I don't use the card slot, so I can put this one in the card slot on the back. This is a must have because I always need this. And I have my mask. I know now you don't need to. A lot of places they not require mask anymore. And if you have a vaccine, already have vaccine, and you don't have to wear mask, but I always wear it just for safety. And I put on the back. I have my lip gloss from Hermes. This one. And I can put this in right here. And I have a card holder from Hermes. This is card holder. I have another video unboxing a video from this card holder. If you're interested in it, you can take a look on that video. And I have it on the back right here. And this is my pill container. I carry my Tylenol everywhere I go, so because I get headache all the time, so I make sure I have it. I put it on the side. And this is my corn pouch. It's from Japan. It's very cute, in the silicone, very soft. It holds a lot of corn, and it won't dirty. If it get dirty, I just get to wipe it and I clean it. And this is really cute one. So let me put this pill on this side so I have room for the corn. Okay, here we go. And I still have room on the top if I want to put the sunny and my phone, and it still have room for my phone in here. I have my phone, I using my phone to film this video, so but I think it will fit because I always try at the store. And I have my iPhone XS, and I always try my daughter's phone. She have iPhone 12, is regular, and it fit. And that's it. That's back. It fit a lot, and it's fit perfectly, and very small, very light. It's not heavy at all. And the back has no feet, and I love it, and I'm so happy I can get it now. I can get it, and I know for sure I will use out this one a lot. And I will have another video comparison between this one with the Chanel vanity case, so you can see which one is fit better for your need. Okay, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I wish all of you are doing well and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye, and I hope to see you in next video. Bye bye. Bye.